although there was a period in my time where I did do that, that I didn't realize that working fast and not necessarily working for accuracy, but fast didn't equate to working slow and taking 20 hours. Like I could always go back and modify stuff, but if I
Yeah.
got my points out, it was so much easier to modify than to sit there and create a perfect draft that never got done, right? So I think when we're talking about productivity, make it a game, make it
Ah,
playful, beat the timer. If you don't like timers, beat the song. Put your favorite two or three songs that you like, and you can say, I can do anything to this two or three songs. And even if you cannot, quote unquote, complete the task, sometimes we all know initiation, task initiation, that's an executive function.
absolutely.
That's different from task switching and task completion. So do not try to lump all three tasks into one. They're different. So don't blame yourself for, look at me, I started 10 tasks and I can't complete it. Well, you're very good task initiation. That's awesome. Okay. So when can you restart that task? Can
Mm-hmm.
you put it later on in the day? Can you do it tomorrow? Can Sometimes you just have to put it on your calendar. And
Ah,
the more bite-sized they are, the easier it is for you to accomplish what you want. And then
isn't that the
sometimes
truth?
you have to be real. You're
We
never
like
going to
to,
do it, even if it's in your calendar.
right?
Who can
Yeah.
you delegate that task to?